Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Gubni Chicken dito sa 3rd floor 1 Bonifacio High Street Mall BGC. At kung hindi nyo pa natikman tong Korea's #1 oven roasted chicken na to, grabe, you're missing out. When we get here, nagbigay na sila ng menu and yung papel na checkan para sa order mo. And ang highlight ng pagpunta namin dito is matikman yung cheese fando chicken, soy garlic at sweet and spicy UFO yung flavor namin, 12 pieces drumstick with cheese dip. Good for sharing dahil in fairness naman sa size ng drumstick is malalaki. Nag-a-assist sila para lagyan ng cheese yung drumstick pero ako gusto ko ring itry. Super cheesy, super juicy, and flavorful ng chicken. Definitely kung babalik kami o orderin ulit namin to. We have cheesy tteokbokki, super love this. May kick ng spicy pero tolerable. Creamy and cheesy, must try to guys when you visit. And kami lang ba yung after kumain ng madami saka pala mag-a-appetizer. House salad which is ang crunchy ng veggies. Sa drinks, watermelon shake na super refreshing. And for the dessert, mango and red bingsu, milky and ansarap ng kombi ng mango and red bean. Actually, best spot din here dahil meron din silang mga goobster meal na sulit especially sa mga working sa BGC. Kaya kung hanap nyo ay legit Korean chicken na hindi nakakagilty and value for money, guys, try nyo here!